So after a week of rain, we finally got some sunny days ahead, so we're gonna kick it off with trip to Vitosha, hopefully, if I'm not wrong and the bus will gonna take me there. Alright, so my original plan to go up to the Vitosha mountain and show you some nice time lapses and flying with the drone failed because the only bus that could have potentially take me there didn't arrive. So let's make a little kebab review. So basically here in Bulgaria it's very popular to put fries inside of kebab, and I guess it is chicken kebab, this one, and I asked for extra spicy, so let's see if I survive that. Little update, I think it's not chicken but pork, so warning to all the religious people, I can survive it one time, but I would prefer chicken too. Look, even pigeons are loving it. Yeah, the kebab wasn't so bad. I would give it maybe 6 out of 10 or 7. And now let's have a look at one of the biggest parks in Sofia.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say,